Picture this. You're waiting for a flight, and your team needs one specific revenue metric from a massive corporate report. You don't have your laptop. You're stuck with a traditional mobile workflow, trying to remember the exact file name, tapping keywords on a small keyboard, and waiting for a 50-megabyte PDF to slowly download. When it finally loads, you have to hunt for a single paragraph buried deep within the text, all while struggling with the spatial constraints of a 6-inch screen. Folder and search systems were designed for desktop environments with large monitors and mouse precision. They don't translate well to the realities of on-the-go productivity. This legacy architecture creates a structural bottleneck. It turns a minor data request into a prolonged task, making mobile work unnecessarily difficult. This physical friction is made worse by the sheer scale of modern data. Most organizations now manage significantly larger document volumes than they did just a few years ago. Exact match keyword searches fail when deployed against thousands of files. Searching for Q3_report_final floods your results with false positives because it only looks at naming conventions, not the content. This forces you to manually open and verify each file, waiting for loading bars to finish until you finally find the information you need. An efficient system needs to parse the actual data inside a file rather than merely indexing its title. Without semantic understanding, massive digital databases become unnavigable liabilities rather than organizational assets. To address these friction points, Google has integrated Ask Gemini functionality directly into the Android and iOS Google Drive applications. Instead of keywords, you can use natural language to ask complex questions, like asking where a presentation is and requesting a summary. Alongside this, AI Overviews is designed to eliminate the need to open files entirely. As seen here, Gemini provides a 3 to 5 line summary at the top of the file, pre-reading the document so you don't have to. By extracting core insights instantly, a tedious multi-step retrieval process collapses into a single conversational action. Gemini also reaches beyond isolated Drive files by connecting them to the broader Google Workspace ecosystem. A single query can simultaneously pull and cross-reference data from Gmail, Calendar, and Docs for a more comprehensive insight. This supports multi-turn conversations, allowing you to ask follow-up questions just as you would with a colleague. The AI maintains the context of your previous questions. It drills down into specific details and narrows its focus without requiring you to start a new search. This deep integration makes the mobile Drive application an active, intelligent research assistant, rather than a passive storage folder. For enterprise users, this capability raises a vital concern: the risk of sensitive corporate data being used to train AI models. Google has addressed this with a privacy-first architecture, specifically for Workspace Enterprise and education accounts. This diagram shows the strict technological barrier in place. Your file contents are processed within a secure vault and are never used to train Google's foundational AI. This security guarantee provides the bridge needed to bring consumer-grade AI convenience into highly regulated corporate environments. Internal testing metrics illustrate the result. Users navigating with Gemini spend an average of 40% less time retrieving information compared to traditional file browsing. This architecture works across 40+ languages and runs on mid-range smartphones, providing enterprise-grade tools to a wide range of users. The workflow is moving away from the manual act of opening and scrolling through files. The focus has shifted to extracting specific answers instantly. Managing complex organizational data on a mobile device is now a conversation, changing how users access and utilize their digital content.